Hello everyone and welcome to Data Communication. In today's video, we are going to discuss the topic transmission media in data communication. The transmission medium is actually a very important part for connecting two devices in order to perform data communication. So let's start with our video. First, we will see what is transmission medium. In this diagram we can see there is a sender and receiver available, and in between sender and receiver the transmission medium is available. So the basic use of transmission medium is to connect the sender and receiver with each other so that they can perform the transmission of data in data communication. The transmission medium is basically a physical connection with the help of cables, or it can be a wireless connection when the data will be sent through the air. So depending on this, the transmission medium is divided into various categories. As per the requirement of the network, the transmission medium is selected and the data is transmitted from one location to another. So firstly, we will see the classification of transmission medium. The transmission medium is basically divided into two types: guided media and unguided media. That means wired connection and wireless connection. The guided media is further divided into three type of cables: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. So today we are going to see the first type of guided media, that is twisted pair cable. So let's start with the explanation. The twisted pair cable consists of two conductors, each with its own plastic insulation twisted together, as you can see in the diagram. One of the wires used to carry signals to the receiver and other side is used only as a ground reference. Due to twisting of wires, the crosstalk or any kind of external interference is reduced in transmission. So that's why the twisted pair cables are twisted with each other instead of making them parallel. The twisted pair cables are divided into two categories known as shielded twisted pair cable and unshielded twisted pair cable. Here in the diagram, both the cables are shown. In first diagram, the unshielded twisted pair cable is shown, where it is having only plastic cover. So the most commonly used medium today is unshielded twisted pair cable because of its usage in telephone system. The UTP cable can carry both voice and data. There are total 5 categories of UTP cables designed for specific purposes. The most commonly used type nowadays is category 5 for network connection, which gives 100 Mbps of data speed. The UTP cables are basically used in LAN networks. The shielded twisted pair cable you can see in the diagram is having one extra metal shield inside the plastic cover. So this metal shield is used to prevent the penetration of electromagnetic noise from external devices or external interference. It is useful to prevent unwanted signals at the time of transmission. So STP cables are more secure than UTP cables. That's why they are used in large industries where electromagnetic noises are more. This table shows the basic differences between UTP and STP cables. Here we can see the UTP cables do not need grounding, while STP cable needs grounding of cable. UTP is having slow data rate as compared to STP. The cost of UTP is less as compared to STP. In both the types, UTP does not require more maintenance, but STP requires more maintenance. The noise is high as compared to STP in UTP. Also, the generation of crosstalk is higher in UTP, while STP neglects all the noises and crosstalks from external devices. That's why they are preferable in larger industries, while the UTP is preferable in Ethernet connection or LAN connection in any organization. So now we will see the advantages and disadvantages of twisted pair cables. The advantages are twisted pair cables are very cheaper and far easier to use. They are less susceptible to electrical interference caused by nearby equipment or wires. The disadvantage is that they are physically larger and that's why they are more difficult to connect. On an average, they are very useful for LAN connections. So whenever the organizations are forming LAN networks in their area, they prefer twisted pair cables. So in today's video, we have seen the use of transmission medium in data communication. Then we have seen two types of transmission medium, guided and unguided, in which the first type of cable is explained in this video, which is twisted pair cable, which is useful for transmission of data from one location to another by connecting them physically. So in next video we will discuss another two types of guided media, that are coaxial cables and fiber optic cables. Till then, wait for the next video and thank you.